Hello friend, welcome back. So today let's learn how to play Achyutam Keshawam Krishna damodaram on flute. And this is an easy flute tutorial, anyone can follow. And the notation for this one you can get it from my WhatsApp and Telegram groups. The links for that groups in the description. And today I'm using my double G flute. You can use any flute that you have. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tutorial videos. So let's get started. I will play one time, then let's move to the tutorial. So as I said, I'm using my double G flute today. Okay, let's get started. See, it's very easy to play. And this Achyutam Keshawam is going on 4/4 beat, like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and we need to start from the third beat. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 sare, like that. Sare ga ga ma ga re sa ni. First line, it's going like that. 1 2 3 4 1 2 sare ga ga ma ga re sa ni. Okay, first line is sa re ga ga ma ga re sa ni. Okay, right, let's play. You get it? It's easy. Then after that, re re ga re, like re re ga re. When we play ga, we touch also ma a little bit. Re re ga re. From the beginning. Okay. And then sa ni ni da da re, sa ni ni da da re. When we play sa, we starting from ni. Sa ni ni da da re. And then re re ga re sa ni sa. That's it. That's the whole part. And let's play one more time from the beginning. I didn't use any alankaras, basic alankaras, like when we play this part we can use means and gamak, but I didn't used any because this is an easy flute tutorial you can follow. So if I play with alankaras, it will be like this. Like that. So you can practice this more and more, then you add alankaras like I played. So hope you enjoy this video and learn something from this video. So let's meet in another video. Until that, practice hard, you can get better. Thank you for watching.